Hello, this is John the Computer Don, and I'm here with SanDisk, and I have a representative that we're going to talk to today, and he's going to explain some of the new features that they have.
Cool. Thank you very much. My name is Rob Callahan. I'm a marketing person at SanDisk, talking about our exciting new SX350 product. It is the first one that we've produced using the Fusion IO architecture and building it with SanDisk NAND. It has industry-leading capacity, performance, as well as cost. And we're very excited because it does key things that customers are looking for. It accelerates the applications and the workloads that they need to keep their customers happy, allowing them to do such things as more transactions per second, greater density with things like VDI and virtualization, and faster analytics where they can come to a decision that they need to make a monetary investment or to make a trade or to make customers happy by ordering the right things. And by using flash products like this IO memory SX350, they can do it faster, better, and even cheaper than they've ever done it before.
Excellent, excellent. And I was also noticing that you have some of your other SSD lines.
Yeah, so not everybody needs something in a PCI form factor, so we partner with key customers like Lenovo, where they actually offer what we call an Ultra DIMM. They call it the X-Flash DIMM, but it's PCI Flash, but it's now on the memory bus. So what you have now is 200 or 400 gigs of very fast storage, but it sits on the memory bus, which gives you the ability to scale it greater than you can with cards that you may be limited by slots, as well as get very fast write latency. And then some customers really want to have density storing. So we have the Optimus Max product here. What the Optimus Max does is it gives you up to 4 terabytes of storage on a single drive. And if you have lots of these drives, we have one customer that's using this for 96 terabytes of storage in a 2U rack.
Very, very cool stuff. So it seems like you guys have been busy this year.
Very excited, very busy, and we have a lot of cool things to come. But you know what? You go to sandisk.com, you can learn a lot more and see a lot of our exciting products.
Excellent. Well, I thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And enjoy the rest of your interrupt.
You too.